So last week I had set the goals for hiring a QA so that I could get more time and creating screenshots and just trying to finish like the normal blogging and all that stuff, like creating scripts and stuff. But yeah, that pretty much didn't happen. Like it happened to some extent. So I actually missed the update. I have to do this, so I'm just pretending that this is for last week. This is actually for this week's date. We did actually get, like, we are at 3 weekly active users. That's an improvement. And we did talk to still one. And the main thing we learned was that there's still a lot of theory underlying the app. So there needs to be some way where we can, like, we need to improve the way we onboard users and they understand and use the app accordingly. So essentially better onboarding, and we also have like quite a lot of principles, all of that stuff. So we need to have some sort of documentation or something where the users can look at and learn about our methodology on why we do certain things and why it's built in a certain way. So better onboarding, and that's like the main thing. Yeah, weekly active users 3. Morale is pretty decent. I'd say 8. I'd say using personal network improved our primary metric the most. This is mostly because since you're already talking to them, you can pretty much explain your methodology and walk them through the app also. Yeah, so that helps in some sort of covering the problem with onboarding. So that's like a go-to for personal network. Biggest obstacle I faced was that since it's still a web app, sharing the app and adding to home screen, this seems like a smaller issue. Yeah, again, I'd say the biggest obstacle is managing the time. Pretty much everything, even the little that I am doing, takes a lot of time. I also think there's a lot of confusion in the structure, like how I'm supposed to actually. Yeah, I guess the biggest obstacle is not knowing if you're doing the right thing. There's always like a question that you could be doing it better or you should be doing something else. I guess I just need to have faith in what we said. Yeah, 1 to 3 goals for the next week. I think the screenshots, I need to figure out how to do that. So just creating the screenshots. I think I'm unnecessarily delaying the app listing. So I'll pretty much try and let me look at the tasks. All of this extra stuff I can add later. Feedback board, all of that stuff. Try and actually get the listing done. This should solve the sharing problem and a lot of other stuff. Then we can shift to onboarding. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the update. Thanks for watching.